My broccolini is sad. It's sad, it needs to go, but it's not gonna be sad for long because I'm gonna turn it into soup. And this soup recipe is so quick, you can make it for lunch. Olive oil, pound of ground pork. I'm gonna season it with some Szechuan peppercorns. If you haven't tried these, they have an interesting bite. And this is a spice blend called Spicy Szechuan 5-Spice Seasoning. So it just has a lot of spices in it. It has some ginger, it has some red pepper flakes, it has some cloves. If you don't have this, no big deal. I just use a little red pepper flake. When the meat is like halfway, 3/4 of the way cooked, I'm gonna throw in some chopped mushrooms. To the meat and the mushrooms, I'm adding the white part of an entire bunch of green onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and some minced ginger. Here's how we're gonna do it with our sad broccolini. I'm gonna chop some of the stems and I'm gonna leave the top parts pretty much whole. And then we're gonna throw them in and simmer them into the pot. Stock. I'm gonna need another one. Put on, simmer, 10 minutes. Drop in a couple packages of noodles. I like these millet and brown rice ramen noodles. You can buy them at grocery stores, but you can buy them in bulk at Costco. Ooh, it smells so good. All right, we're gonna top it with some green onions and it's good to go.